Squad, we are still in this room experimenting and playing with things. We are going to do another tablescape and try out different looks. Please keep watching to see what I come up with. This time for our plate settings, we're gonna be using these gorgeous placemats. They are from Macy's, but I just found a link on Amazon. I'll put it in the description box. We're also gonna be using these chargers. They are from Z Gallery. For this look, we're gonna be keeping the centerpiece. We will replace it later. We are keeping the round and the square white plates as well. But we are adding these white bowls, very pretty bowls. We are using the white napkins with the gold and teal rings. Place it on the plate behind the bowl. It looks so chic. Do you see that, Glam Squad? I'd like to say, if you are new to this channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. We are all about creating beautiful, glam, and happy homes. Please take this opportunity to subscribe and hit your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like with the plain gold napkin rings. Since I know you may not have a teal and gold napkin rings available all the time, it still look really nice. I like them both equally. But do you have a preference so far? Put a comment below, let me know. If you don't have any napkin rings or do not want to spend money on napkin rings, don't worry, I have this super cute look for you. But I forgot, let me quickly tell you about the glasses. The champagne glasses are from the dollar store, but currently Home Goods has the exact same one. And the water glass with the gold rim is from Home Goods. Now I'm gonna show you how I fold the napkins to create beautiful packets. It's really important to make sure that the side that has the 4 flippable layers is in your upper right. As always, the second time we're going to fast forward it. I like this look too, it's really nice, but once the napkin is folded and the utensils are inside the packet, I have no idea which side do they go. Do they go on the left or on the right? Normally I know the utensils would go on the right and the napkin will go on the left, but together I have no idea. I Google it. The internet didn't help either. So if you know where they're supposed to go once they are together as one, please put a comment below. Let me know. I will be eternally grateful to you. I put it on the left. It looks a little bit odd, but the look overall is really cute. To complete the look, I'm gonna remove the boxes and replace them by this large plate. Guys, I really like this look, but I was thinking, what if I turn it into a fall decor? Let me quickly show you how I did that. For Warner, I'm using 5 of these placemats that I got from Amazon. They came in a pack of 10 or 12 for like less than $15. They are super cute and have just enough glam. I like the fall vibes that they give to the table. Let me show you. You see, I really like them. I like how you can use them in a simple look, but you can also incorporate them into a glam design as well, and they may even work for spring or I think they would work with any type of design. As you can see, I overlap them. That's how I get this look. I'm using these 3 pumpkins from Joann. I like the special messages on them. This one says thankful. The big one in the middle says welcome. Guys, the pumpkins are not from Joann, they are from Hobby Lobby. What's wrong with me? And the last one at the end says grateful. Hobby Lobby had a sales going on all fall decor. Hopefully they still have it. The big one in the middle was $17 and the other 2 were only $2 each. Thinking about that, I need to go back and go get some more. These little glam pumpkins for only $2, I need to stock up on them. These are holiday drinking glasses. I used 2 of them and put a tea light inside of each one. This one is sitting on top of this crystal that my husband got me because I do not have another crystal candle holder to have it sit on. And the other one on the candle holder. You guys may have seen this one a million times already. The rest of the candles and the candle holders are from Amazon. This one, the hole was too big. I used some paper to get the candle to stay. This is what the other candle looks like. I used a total of 4 candlesticks. The look is very simple but very modern, stylish, and glam fall tablescape. I am so happy with this look, guys. You won't know how much I love it. Seriously, this is what my Thanksgiving tablescape will look like this year. Just like that. This is what everything looks like together. On the other side, I keep the gold napkin ring so you guys can see it. Still looking cute with this look. This is what it looks like at night. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your people. And put a comment below. Let me know how you liked today's video. Check out the giveaway. September 7th will be the last day for you to enter. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. We just reached 7,000 subscribers last night. Thank you so much, you guys. Now invite all of your friends so they can join the big family. And if you have not subscribed, please do so right now. We'll be glad to have you as part of the Glam Squad family. Next time, we're going to be doing some more fall decors. I look forward to seeing you there. And thank you for your time. Mwah!